Don't ask me what that was. That was okay. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ant. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Love to have you here. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you stay here permanently. I got room. Always room. If you're not new around here, hey boo. So today we're going to be trying a New Year's Day makeup look. Okay, I found it off the TikTok. Super cute. Couldn't pass it up. And it gives me the opportunity to try this makeup collection palette that I got. Okay, you want to see it? I'll show you. I'll show you. Hold on one second. I'll show you. It's this. This is the palette. Well, it's not a palette, but it's like a collection, right? So it's the Chroma one that you can get off of Shein. I don't know if they still have it, but here it is. So you get your eyeshadows, highlighter, you get some liners, and you get some liquid eyeshadows. There's a lot going on in here. I honestly thought that these right here were lipsticks, but they are just liquid eyeshadows, and they're all pretty cool, but we're gonna stick to a specific one, you know, and try and create this TikTok makeup New Year's New Year's Day TikTok makeup look. Oh my God, that took so many tries. Y'all don't even know. You don't even know. So here's the video of this beautiful queen herself recreating the look, and we're gonna recreate the look that she did, kind of, because I always remix for whatever reason. Can't ever get it right. Can't ever.
Yo, look at that! Oh my gosh! Alright, my loves, here's the final look. And I will definitely be making sure to do this for New Year's.
Alright, it doesn't seem bright enough. Nothing I do ever seems good enough. I mean, I guess this is gonna have to do. Okay, let me put some tape on, because I want them sharp edges. So that make us hella cute, right? I'm gonna try and do something in the future with this whole background other than clean it up, because I want a cute background. Everybody else has got cute backgrounds. I want a cute background too. And that green screen background we had last time, no ma'am, no ma'am, that was atrocious. So let's review said video, right? So it looks like what she did first was she did the outline, right? And then she filled it in with pure black. So let me find something. I wonder if this is gonna work. And then it looks like she kind of came in here, maybe. I think this is gonna be really, really cute. You don't have to think so, but I will. Hopefully. I know a lot of people are probably still trying to figure out what they want to do for their New Year's resolution. And I think I want to just do things that I didn't do this year. I mean, maybe still implement a lot of the things that I did this year, like not wasting my time going back and forth, not arguing as much, you know, say what I said and then move on. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. I want to definitely keep that as my mindset, but there are other things that I want to do too, especially when it comes to manifesting. I want to get more serious about that again, like I used to be. And I need to get back into my meditating like I used to. Okay, so for the most part, it looks like I'm pretty happy with it. As I go back in to correct a few things. The perfectionist in me is going to end up taking my life one of these days, I swear. All right, is that even? Why does this one look like it's giving attitude? Miss Ma'am, what are we doing? Is that better? I mean, we're not really gonna see until I fill it in anyway. So let's just stop worrying about it and let's just fill it in, right? We got other things to do. 1,000,001 things to do. So in that palette, remember we were talking about that Sheglam Chroma one? These are the 2 eyeshadow palettes. I just now ruined one of the shades. Anyways, so these are the shades that are in there. They're all so pretty and sparkly and whatever. I like them a lot. But unfortunately, we're not gonna be or wait a minute. We might. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. So in that TikTok for the New Year's makeup, she said to take the black and just fill it in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into that palette. I'm gonna take the black and just fill it in and try and cover as much as I possibly can. And I don't know if she used eyeliner or eyeshadow. I'm obviously gonna have to go in with a smaller brush too. There we go. There we go. Alrighty, and just for consistency wise, I'm just gonna go back to this fluffy brush, but I will be going back in with a little brush because I want those lines to be very prominent. Can I just say I am honestly surprised at how well this sits in my hand. Right in my little basketball player type hands, it wants to sit so comfy. And I'm not mad at it. Go in with that little brush. Try and pack in all the little creases. Okay, so are we looking like nighttime or nighttime, right? It's dark up in these streets. What is the next step, sis? Okay, so she said she did she was tighten, what did she say? We're just gonna go back in with that black and add it underneath. Should we take this off now? Yeah, we'll take it off now. Oh yes, ma'am. Don't ask me what that was. That was okay. Okay. That came out real nice. Tighten it up under here. I think that's what she said. So I did the unders. See, ooh, ooh, right? We looking cute or whatever. And now, she just cleaned up, and I think she went in with the liquid shadows to go on top, right? In her TikTok, she used all 3. So that's what we're gonna do. Keep it a buck. Do the whole thing or don't do it at all. So we have these 3 colors right here. We have them in the Aqua Nova, Fool's Gold, and Opal Essence. I'm not gonna lie, that Opal Essence is pretty cute. I like her. She seems like a real nice, fine lady. I sound like a 60-year-old creeper sometimes, man. Not okay. Not okay. But yeah, so those are the colors. Yeah, these are really nice. So I'm gonna try and do the same patterns that she also did. And the closest one to silver that we got is the Opal Essence. So we're gonna take that and dab that on the ends. Do a little razzle dazzle. Then we're gonna take our Aqua Nova, almost said Aquafina. Oh my goodness. Almost said it again. Aqua Nova, put that in there. And then we're gonna take our Fool's Gold and just dabba that on the front. Find another brush and blend that in. Feels like if I tug on it too hard, it's gonna kind of just wipe away. So I'm just kind of patting it together. This stuff dries really fast too. So trying to blend it can definitely be a little something. Oh, that opal's so pretty. Look at her. Look at her. I wonder if opal is just the thing now, because I've been seeing a lot of opals come out. Go back in with a little bit more of this Aqua Nova and just take it to the rim. All of these colors are really, really pretty. A little bit of this full gold. Be honest, girlfriend. Is this giving? Because to me, it's not. This gold is really a lot more sheer than what I thought. I don't know, man. I don't know. I definitely feel like with this kind of brand, you're gonna have to let it dry down and build it up. You can't just like apply it and move on. Apply, let it dry, add another coat. You know what I mean? So there's the eye look. Somewhat of it, because we're not done yet. We gotta go back and we gotta do this and we gotta do that, this and that and that and this. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my foundation, face already primed, and we'll come back and do the lips and all that stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's be honest here. This came out pretty cute. We're not done yet, but it came out pretty cute. I was catching myself getting a little too far ahead because I want to show the highlighter. I want to use the highlighter too, right? So let's use that. I'm also losing sun. Like the bitch moved on me. Dang, sun, move. Okay, so if you can, here is the highlighter. It's called Highlighter Lucid. And I'm very nervous. I'm very scared. I don't know if I'm gonna like her, but we gonna figure it out. Oh my God. Of course I would lose my fan brush. Jeez, man. Aunt, you got one job sometimes. I don't understand how you be messing it up. So in lack of having a fan brush, I'm just gonna use this little fluffy brush right here and call it a day. I'm scared. Maybe I'm tripping. Okay, it's not too bad. It's giving me the that opal vibe. Can you see it? Yeah, Opal is the theme apparently for New Year's. That's pretty. That's really pretty. And I'm gonna dab some on my nose because that's just what I do. Up the bridge and some on the eyebrows. Ooh, bitch, we looking cute. Bitch, we looking cute. I love it. I love it so much. I'm sorry if I'm like blinding and getting all out of focus and stuff because I filmed late. My bad. Okay, so at the end, it looks like she went with a kind of like a nude lip situationship type deal. So what I'm gonna do is just use some liner and maybe some gloss and call it a day. I guess we're going dark. You know, we could probably two-tone it. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll two-tone it. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in because I lost the fight with the sun. But basically, this is the finished look. Okay, so the sun beat me, but this is the look. What do you think? What are you thinking about her? What are you thinking? I personally think this is personal. Won't tell nobody. But I personally think it came out pretty cute. I'm not that mad at it. And if you're not that mad at it, you'll leave a like on this video. I'm not gonna take it personal if you don't. I can't tell you what to do. But I'm just saying. I hope you did enjoy this video and you do leave a like. And you know, go ahead and comment if you would like to, and don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button and join this whatever this is. I don't know who we are yet, other than beautiful. Beautiful and a little weird, but that's okay. Anywho, I'll see you next time, boo. Bye. I lost the sun. I lost the sun. I lost the sun. That's why I look like this. That's why my lighting's crap. Because I lost the sun. I lost the sun. That's why I look like this. That's why I look like this.